Welcome back. Today, we're talking about the limits of AI because knowing where AI fails is just as important as knowing where it helps. AI is great at pattern recognition. It can scan thousands of log entries and flag anomalies faster than any human. It can summarize a 50-page incident report into a paragraph. It can write first draft scripts, emails, and documentation. These are real productivity gains. But AI has three critical weaknesses you need to understand. First, hallucination. AI will confidently state things that are completely wrong. It might cite a CVE that doesn't exist or describe a command that doesn't work. Always verify AI output against trusted sources. Second, bias. AI learns from its training data, and that data has biases. If the training data over represents certain attack patterns, the AI may miss novel threats. Human judgment is still essential for context that the AI doesn't have. Third, overtrust. The most dangerous situation is when an analyst treats AI output as ground truth without verification. If the AI says an alert is a false positive and you close it without investigating, that's how breaches happen. The rule is simple. AI is a tool, not an authority. Use it to accelerate your work, not to replace your judgment. You are still the analyst. The decision is yours. In the final lesson, we'll build an AI-assisted phishing triage tool together.